Cold season is sneaking up, and with it, the dreaded cough. Fear not, we have 5 home remedies to help you combat this seasonal foe. First up, honey and lemon tea. This classic combo soothes the throat and helps suppress coughs. Second, ginger. This spicy root, when boiled in water, can help clear up your sinuses and alleviate throat irritation. Third, steam inhalation. A hot shower or a bowl of boiling water can do wonders for congestion. Fourth, the magic of turmeric milk. A teaspoon of turmeric in warm milk can reduce inflammation and provide relief. Lastly, hydration. Drink lots of fluids to keep your throat moist and to help thin out mucus. Remember, these remedies are not substitutes for medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist. Here's to staying healthy.